Welcome to the Corrib Shopping Centre. We're delighted it's our fourth year involved in the Gradam Awards, and in 2020 we were our category winners, which we were absolutely delighted to be category winners after 3 years. So this year we want to try and go a little bit a step further if we can, and we've upped our game a little bit, and hopefully people saw that throughout the year when visiting the Corrib Shopping Centre. Going into 2021, it has been quite challenging. We lost one of our major tenants inside the shopping centre itself. It gave us an opportunity throughout the year to use their windows that weren't being used. And I think people would have seen this in Christmas 2020 with the signage. It was very visual, and it had lots of Irish on the windows throughout Christmas, which we got lots of comments about and lots of praise for. With our Corrib Shopping Centre window, we decided to design it with cúpla focal as well, which we got the wording from Gaillimh, and this was great fun. This had a great reaction with customers and staff alike. It highlighted the fact that we are a bilingual shopping centre. So when you visit the shopping centre, that you can actually see the signage, you can speak the language to our many staff that work within the shopping centre, and also if you ever visit our shopping centre website, we have a bilingual shopping centre website throughout. So yeah, come visit the Corrib Shopping Centre for your bilingual experience.